Welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred. Today we're going to make a homemade pizza on our new pizza heart stone. Well, it can be used for other stuff. I call it pizza stone, but it can be used for cookies, cakes, anything else. But we're going to put the pizza on that heart stone. But what I'm going to do first is, we've been using the twist and chop to cut onions, but you can also use the food chopper to do the onions. So I'm going to show you how that works. I'm going to give my onion a slice, and then I'm going to peel off this outer piece. Get that put off like that, and then we'll show you how this food chopper works. It works really, really good on cutting onions and stuff. You're going to get the skins off of it. Everybody likes to eat that nasty skin part. Okay. And then put that and put it in the trash. All right. So how are you guys doing today? Doing anything fun in the kitchen cooking? Let me know in the comments, what are you cooking? So what I'm going to do is, it has a rubber piece that you can put on and use as the flat, but since I've got the cutting board, I'm going to use the cutting board. And you just put this over here and you just chop away. And you can see it's chopping. And like that, I've got chopped onion in a matter of what that takes me, 10 seconds. So let's do the other piece. And voila, just like that, I've got chopped onion for my pizza. So we're going to get that into our bowl. And then we are going to make a homemade pizza with bacon and onion. That's what we like. I've got a pizza crust I'm going to roll out. And then I've got the pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, the good stuff, crumbled bacon, and of course the onion that I just cooked. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit and put my mat out so I can roll the dough out, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I got my baker's mat out, and I've got the dough. I'm going to put a little flour out. And then we're going to open this dough up here. Okay. And then I'm going to take my rolling pin and let's roll it out a little bit. Going to roll it out until we can get it on that heart stone. Alrighty. Let's see how that does. Yeah, I think that'll work right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my pan. Alrighty. And then get our pizza dough to go over it here. And then what I want to do is kind of press down here to get it to sink down inside. And then a little trick is I'm going to take my roller and I'm going to roll over this edge right here with the rolling pin. And essentially what I'm doing is cutting the dough. So you can see this excess is now cut away. We've got some extra dough we can bake and make some crisps with. So let me show you how well that turned out. There's the dough in the heart pan. And now let's get our ingredients back over here. The pizza sauce on. Alrighty. We're going to get this spread out on the pizza. Okay. Alrighty, that should be enough sauce. Next, we're going to put down some cheese. Put down a little cheese. And then I'm going to go in with the onion. And we're going to go in with some of the bacon. And then we're going to go in with some more cheese. Kind of layering this one because it's kind of a deep pan. So I'm going to use all the cheese. And then what I'm going to do is go back in with a little onion on top. And a little bit more of the bacon. And now I've got my oven set at 425. That's what we use for this. Let me rinse my hands off. So we're going to go in now. You can get this heart stone. It's still available. So if you want to get it, I'll put a link down in the description so that you can get it. But you need to hurry up and get it because they're going to sell out. And when they're gone this time. So let me get this into the oven. And we're going to let that go for about 25 minutes. And then we'll take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, let's take a look at our pizza, see how it's doing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that looks lovely. there you go. Our pizza's ready. Okay, we've got the Paper Chef pizza cutter, and we've got the nylon server. So what I am going to do is, I'm going to cut it right down the center, I think. And then we'll give it a cut right here. And then this piece here is used for the crust. So if you want to get down on the crust part, you can do that. And then let's see if it will slide out. Alrighty. And there we go. We got our first piece of bacon and onion pizza on the Hearthstone. So let's take a little bite and see how good it is. Oh, that's better than the pizzeria. That is great. So this is Fred Russell, your Paper Chef guy, saying, get the stone, get the tools, make you a pizza tonight, and enjoy it, okay? Till next time, bye for now.